I hit this issue today and here's the quick fix that solved it. If you've forgotten your Snapchat password, don't worry, it's a straightforward process to recover it. Step 1. Open Snapchat. Launch the Snapchat app on your device. Make sure you are connected to the internet for the recovery process to work. Step 2. Tap on Forgot Password. On the login screen, tap the Forgot Password link. This will direct you to the password recovery options. Step 3. Choose Recovery Method. Select whether you want to receive a password reset link via email or a verification code via SMS. Choose a method that works best for you. Step 4. Follow the instructions. If you chose email, check your inbox for the reset link. If you opted for SMS, enter the code you received. Follow the prompts to set a new password. Step 5. Create a new password. Enter your new password, ensuring it meets Snapchat's security requirements. Remember to save it in a secure place to avoid future issues. If you run into any trouble, double check that the email or phone number linked to your account is correct. Good luck and happy snapping!